Revolutionary design, QuickFit and SimpleWire technologies offer groundbreaking home automation features. Unique advancements make the controls easier to install and more reliable than ever. QuickFit. Improved components reduced the housing depth by up to 20% compared to previous models and eliminated the need for heat tabs. QuickFit enhancements are the ideal solution for older-style switchboxes, multigang configurations or any other application with limited space. Light commercial capable. Rated for universal 120/277 vac use, the switch works in a variety of systems. Common home installation is supported with 120 VAC smart controls or light commercial applications are possible through 277 VAC automation devices. Multi-switch operation. The switch is not a standalone device. It must be used with a Wi-Fi, Z-Wave or Zigbee smart control for home automation. A smart switch or dimmer and as many as 4 add-on switches can be linked for operation from up to 5 locations. Versatile compatibility. Partner the add-on switch with any smart switch, dimmer or fan control from Enbrighten and UltraPro to upgrade traditional 3-way setups. The add-on switch offers the same functions as the primary switch. Top reviews from the United States. Works great as an add-on. Added this on to an existing Enbrighten switch for 3-way operation with zero issue. Just connect a ground, neutral and the traveler over to the main switch and voila. Works like a champ and reliably to give us 3-way smart switch control, which is not an option with Wi-Fi smart switches.